A very good evening to everybody. On the occasion of Doctors' Day, we at Keshavji Chaganlal are extremely overjoyed in organizing this very small event where we are felicitating and showing our gratitude and interviewing doctors from different walks of medicine. The world has watched the doctors embrace us as the nations slowly open up, and we've seen the kind of chaos that it has created. And how much ever we thank them, it will be less. Today, amongst us, we have two very prominent doctors from Jamshedpur, Dr. Sangeeta Singhal and Dr. NC Singhal. Thank you very much, sir and madam, for being with us today. I know both of you all are extremely busy, and a lot of times, I thought only jewelers are busy. We have long working hours, but a lot of times when I go home at 9:30, this was before lockdown, I still see cars parked outside your house. That means you're still working. So my first question to you is, how do you maintain such long working hours? How do you manage them?
I mean, look, our profession, that medical profession, is not something where you see your own comfort or something. This is basically your passion for your work. And this is something, I mean, you don't feel that it's long hours because you are passionate about your work, and you don't feel that you are tired at the end
You're
of
so
the day.
involved in your work.
You're so involved about it, and so you don't see even that so much of time has gone in it. So probably, and at the end of the day, you still don't feel that, you're so tired and you worked so hard. I mean, I think that's a part of our life.
We always hear, you should always love your work, but it is very good to see that मुझे तो मैडम पता ही नहीं चलता if I like my work or if I'm getting tired. So especially seeing you, I discuss a lot with Neelam and Piyush, everybody about you and how hardworking you are, and it is really commendable. We really look up to you.
Thank you.
Whatever has happened in these past 4-5 months, and we've been hearing about a lot of this, and whatever we hear about it and we know about it is either through WhatsApp or news channels. Most of it is not true. So we really want to hear from you as to if say a pregnant lady is affected by corona, how different is it than a normal man or woman being affected? Is there a difference? Should she be more cautious about it? What precautions should she take?
Actually, you see, I mean, pregnant women, they are more vulnerable to any kind of infection because their immunity is slower as compared to others. So they are more vulnerable to have any kind of infection. But as far as this corona is concerned, any woman who contracts this infection, first one should take all the precautions so that she should not get this infection. But if she gets the infection, I think she will be treated in the same line as a non-pregnant woman. There is no special treatment for the pregnant woman as far as the corona is concerned. But yes, the isolation and other management has to be done in a speeding way so that it doesn't progress and she doesn't worsens faster. But as far as the disease, severity of the disease or anything, the progression to further severe stages of corona in pregnant women is the same as a normal person.
Ma'am, what are the effects on the child, maybe? Say.
I mean, it's again, it's very difficult to say because not much of studies has been done on this, and since this disease has started only in January, where that was the peak in China, and few studies has come from China and from Italy and some Israel where they were affected by this corona earlier. I mean, majority of the women, they have not found this coronavirus in mother's amniotic fluid, the fluid which is around the baby.
Okay, okay.
And so the vertical transmission, what we call that is transmission of coronavirus from mother to baby,
Child.
should not be high because most of the babies have not come out to be infected of the mothers who were infected. So babies were free of corona in cases
Okay.
the mothers were infected.
Okay.
But 3 or 4 babies in so many cities, they have found that those babies were infected. Now they are not very sure whether it was transmitted from mother to baby while that's as a vertical transmission, or after the birth they have contracted infection from the mother. Because by the time the test was done, those babies, 3 or 4 babies were positive.
Were positive.
But they have still not been sure that there is a vertical transmission of this, because the placenta, they have not found that this virus can travel from placenta to the amniotic fluid. So it's still, it is in the research phase, because I think more and more time has to come, and then only people will be able to say finally. But most of the babies have been found to be free of coronavirus from the infected mother.
Okay. So one question to you: we've been hearing a lot about this corona, and even in the past there have been many pandemics. So एक normal flu और एक corona flu, फर्क क्या होता है दोनों में? The only difference that we know is ये बहुत contagious है.
Actually, symptoms are more or less
the same.
But here you have a dry cough. In other flu, or you may get a wet cough. And then predominant thing is, first of all, you lose the sense of taste
Okay.
and the sense of smell, because the virus enters the mouth or the nose. So it affects the normal sensory mechanism of taste and smell.
Okay. Okay.
And then ultimately it goes to the respiratory passage and it causes breathlessness. And there is a drop in the oxygenation of the system,
Okay.
which normally doesn't occur in other flu or common cold or influenza and other things. This is how it differs.
So say for example if a patient is asymptomatic, so that's what I mean, we read it in an article, and we always, हम लोग के जितने भी staff है, so we check their temperatures, we we have sanitize the hands, but they say कि आपको जो oxygen level, there's a oximeter, so is that a good thing to do, to check oxygen levels?
Yes, you may be asymptomatic, but your oxygen concentration may be below the normal.
Ah.
You may move around with a slightly low oxygen concentration.
Okay, okay. So with the unrest, not the unrest exactly, with so much of chaos and so much of confusion amongst people, you think people are acting responsibly, they're acting sensibly when patients come to you? What is your take?
No, I don't think so. Because patients, they wear a mask because it has to be worn. Secondly, sanitizer we keep in a clinic, so we ask them to put the sanitizer
Sanitizer.
before entering. But they always want to come near the doctor. I don't know why. So perhaps they may feel that doctor may not listen to me properly or something. So, and the relations also crowd around them. So which we object. We said, okay, you just stay put, at
Stay.
least maintain a social distance.
Actually, I mean, still people, they do not have this kind of feeling that it's important for them, because it's not only for the others but for yourself, your family members, and even for others. It's important that they should maintain social distance. They must use the mask. They must use. But still, I mean, the women who are, especially in my practice, they are not following at all. They don't understand this concept at all, and if you tell them, they will just smile. They don't feel the importance of it.
They're just neglecting it.
They're
I
neglecting
think they do understand, but
Yeah.
उनको लगता है कि भाई हमें नहीं होगा.
Yeah,
That's
probably
the
that's the thing.
mindset.
That's a mindset.
A
Yeah.
casual.
It's a very casual,
approach,
true,
very
true, true.
casual approach.
So now, if we spoke about pregnant women, and you said that they have to be careful of anything. What about if a man or a woman who already has ailments, diabetes ho, yeah, XYZ, BP ho. So are they more prone to getting infected?
Yeah.
Yes.
Like for example, if somebody has say asthma, तो वो तो सीधा
Yeah.
respiratory issue ही है.
Comorbid conditions हम लोग बोलते हैं. People with diabetes, hypertension, blood pressure, kidney disease, heart disease, all these are comorbid conditions. And age is of course there.
Age is definitely a factor.
Age is a big factor. Because
They
the
all are
immunity,
more vulnerable to this infection. and
immunity
this-
system goes down with the age.
And they can progress, progression of the disease process is very fast in them.
हाँ.
So they have to be especially really careful.
So man, the kind of work that you do, you definitely have to be with the patients, you know, checking them. So with all these precautions, what precaution have you taken in your clinic?
I mean, I have, changed the entire setup in my clinic, and first we ask them to come one by one. We do not let them crowd outside the, and plus they use, as we said, the sanitization, and we don't allow many people along with the patient. There is a distance maintained from the stage, from where I sit and the patient sit.
Okay.
If the patient, they do not come with a mask, I provide mask to them. And we also wear the protective things.
The PPE.
PPE. We don't wear the PPE in the OPD, but yes, the part of it, like we do use face shield and mask definitely, and plus gloves and others. And we advise patients also not to do that. And while examining, again, we try to be don't to be very close to them. And we also ask them not to go for, we do not advise the investigations where it is not so much, which can wait for some time, so that they do not go out for the investigations again. And try to, for our checkups, we because we do more frequent checkups, so now there is a guideline which has been from the our societies, from our that they also recommend that you do not have to call them as frequently, but we used to call.
Okay.
And plus we advise them that what measures they have to do it
They
at
should
home.
take.
So they take care of their baby's movement, they take care of their temperature. If they can have a blood pressure instrument at home, where they can measure the blood pressure frequently at home, they don't have to come for that more frequently. And if there is a problems, if they can contact on phone, if it can be dealt rather than coming more frequently. Those are the things what we have taken certain precautions which.
So what
Yeah.
you are saying is like any other business, even your profession, it's going. The future is like an e-consultation. So people are.
Yeah, it is there,
Consulting over the
but
phone.
maybe lots of
It's a
things
very
which can
temporary
be done, but this will not sustain for very long time, because they have to come, they want to come and they show, and we have to examine quite a few frequently, and so all those things has to be done. But we cannot go completely work from home, as it's another.
Right. So, sir, we've been seeing a lot of these WhatsApp, Facebook messages कि भाई वापस spike आने वाला है, and plus we are seeing in the news that the maximum number of reported cases are happening now. For example, yesterday there were 18,000 cases. So what is this? Is there going to be a spike?
Spike तो already चल रहा है.
नहीं, so they are saying
They're
it's-
saying second
Or
spike,
second one,
wave.
nobody knows. I mean, they say that it may come.
they are talking about the community transfer. Is
Yeah.
there something like a community transfer, or is this just a phrase that has been taken out?
No, it is there. It is definitely
difficult
there,
to
because
say.
there is a different stages of the spread of any disease. Like once that you get the infection, then if you are just isolated, if it's a transmittable disease. So if I do not come in contact with you, it just stays with me and then stops.
Right.
Actually,
So that I do not spread
immune
to
status
somebody else. But-
becomes tuned to that, and you remain asymptomatic or something.
So there is definitely a social community spread, which and once that happens, that is the time when maximum number of people will be infected, and probably that is the time when it will be end of the
That will be
disease,
the end of the
because
disease.
most of the people, that we call it herd immunity. So people will have, most of them will have immunity against this infection. What we say कि smallpox एक बार हो गया तो फिर
फिर
नहीं
नहीं होगा,
होगा,
immunity
तो
develop
उसका
हो गया।
immunity develop हो गया, तो same kind of thing, immunity will develop for this. And probably all these things have been followed. What we had like in 1918 when we had this
Yeah.
what was that?
Don't forget
Spanish flu.
Spanish flu.
So that also had the same kind of a pattern. So people are following that, how it had spread and how what had happened at that particular time. So it's more or less it's following the same
So
pattern.
basically we are waiting for the herd immunity to happen,
yeah,
and we also waiting for people are
for
saying
the-
कि भाई हम लोग उसका जो vaccine है
vaccine आ जाए. So
vaccine
that
आ
is
जाए.
yeah.
Vaccine तो they said before November we had.
I mean, it will come. People
So-
are working on it, and so once, because it has to, even for the vaccine, it has to be worked in a different stages. So first it has to develop,
But-
then it has to be
but one thing is
acted on
that-
animals, then it has to be working in the humans. So all this, it takes steps and it takes time. So you cannot just, I mean, I develop it and start it
Yes,
on me.
true.
So it takes time to develop.
Actually, 80% of the persons affected have no symptoms. It's only the rest 20%, they have symptoms, and out of which only 5% require ICU care or ventilator or. So this is the disease, it's not, it's only the 5% that is, may have a fatal outcome.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
We have a lot of these, aspiring doctors who look up to you all. So, any advice that you'd want to give them?
Yeah, they should come because this is a
Has-
profession where
See,
they
man,
must
I
come.
have heard many of the nurses and doctors are getting affected. This is a professional hazard. You can't prevent that. Even with full PPE kit, people are getting infected. One or two have died with
Yes.
full PPE kit. So,
I mean, no, this
I guess-
profession, I think, yeah, young people should come up in this because, I mean, this is a thing which you will be able to serve the humanity always.
Always,
And that
true.
you will be required
then
always.
somebody has to work. Na. And it's not that everybody raises their hands and say, I can't, I don't want to go to.
No, he's asking you what you will advise to the future generation. That's what he's saying.
Stay protected, that's all.
Great. So, I think we've had a lot of serious talk. Now, we have a little rapid fire session. And I'm going to ask you some very quick questions, and jawab be quick, no thinking.
Okay.
Whatever comes to your mind,
Okay.
you have to answer as soon as you can.
Okay.
One film that you've seen which has inspired you?
Oh my God. I'm not in films basically.
TV shows?
Not much. I mean, those are not something which, inspires. Yeah.
Uncle, what about you? One
Yeah.
film that has inspired you?
Difficult.
But I liked Anand.
Anand.
Yeah.
That's one of my favorite
Yeah.
movies also. Even I've seen.
Yeah, I did like Anand. I mean, I don't see many movies, but I
Oh.
think this was one of them which I saw.
Okay. 3 words, only 3 words, no statements. 3
Okay.
words that describe you.
Me, I should say about
Yes,
myself.
about yourself.
Simple, calm,
Okay.
dedication for work.
Super. Calm, so definitely. I think you're one of the most soft-spoken persons I've ever met. If you weren't a doctor, what would you have been?
I wanted to be a kind of more artistic, more kind of
Like
painter.
fine arts person?
Yeah.
Yeah? So, she draws well, uncle?
That I don't know.
One place you would visit when, of course, the flights and trains start across the world. सबसे पहला जगह कौन सा होगा?
To my children.
Both are in different places, no?
Yeah.
Which one?
So I go.
They're both. Uncle, which was your first celebrity crush?
Celebrity
Crush.
Crush.
crush, मतलब नहीं समझे.
कोई ऐसी
Hema
एक्ट्रेस जो आपको
Malini.
बहुत पसंद थी?
You used to like Hema Malini, na?
Oh, lady, मतलब actors, film actors.
एक्ट्रेस, यस.
Okay. हेमा
इतना सोचना.
वैजंती वाला earlier.
आपका
मेरा
एक्टर
राजेश खन्ना.
राजेश खन्ना. Your real life role model?
My mother.
Other than working, of course, I mean, I don't know if you get time also. Other than working, what is your favorite hobby?
And I love music.
You listen to a lot of music? अंकल अभी करंट बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस सबसे फेवरेट कौन है आपकी?
Actress.
एक्ट्रेस.
Actress अभी हमारी का नाम बोलिए तो मैं बताता हूँ.
करीना कपूर.
करीना नहीं इतना.
कटरीना.
Katrina, yes. Katrina is there. Katrina Kaif.
Which place in Jamshedpur do you visit the most? Other than your clinics, of course, or the hospital.
Vegetable market.
What about you, Auntie? Any particular shop? Clinic. Which was, I know कोई होगा नहीं ऐसा, but which was your weakest subject in school? Or you hated a subject? One subject that you hated?
I didn't like maths.
You didn't like maths. How about you?
मेरा तो संस्कृत. Because कुछ समझ में आती नहीं थी बात, but it was a subject. We have to.
One thing that you know, एक चीज है जो आपको लगता है आप कर ही नहीं सकते हो. साइकिलिंग हुआ, इस टाइप का. Some things that you always feel कि नहीं, ट्राई नहीं करना मेरे को, करना ही नहीं है ऐसा.
Swimming.
हम तो बस स्विमिंग से बहुत डरते हैं.
Swimming.
पानी से बहुत डरता हूँ.
So that was a lovely round of rapid fire. And I think most of the questions that you answered also were very nice, and I think they were very self-explanatory. Thank you very much, sir, madam. And आप लोगों ने time निकाला.
Thank you.
And all of
It
us
was
are extremely
really nice.
obliged.
We had a great time. I mean, it's completely
Thank you.
different
Thank
from
you.
our clinic time. It's a completely different, and I didn't know that.
We visited your lovely shop.
Yeah, and it's
Thank
really
you.
nice.
Thank you
Great.
very much. And from everybody at Keshavji Chanalal, a very, very happy Doctor's Day in advance.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for coming.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thank you, everyone.